Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to block while the call details are visible. First, confirm your device type because menus differ. Open the phone app and go straight to Recents. Do not go to Settings yet. Once you see the number, tap the info icon or three-dot menu next to it to expand options. You'll find Report, Add to Contacts, and Block. This is the moment to act so you don't lose the number or guess its format later. You'll choose the primary blocking method now. Tap Block Caller and confirm. This prevents incoming calls, texts, and FaceTime on many devices. If the block option is hidden, save the number as a contact, then open that contact and block it from the contact screen. Once done, consider a backup. Enable Do Not Disturb with Allow Contacts off, contact your carrier for network-level blocking, or install. You should finish by verifying the number is listed in your blocked contacts or call blocking settings. This is your confirmation step. Next, test the block with a quick call from another line so you see behavior in real time. If the caller still gets through, make sure the stored format matches the incoming format, country code, area code. If format fixes don't help, contact your carrier to apply a network block or enable stricter filtering in your chosen call blocking app. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.